The three-dimensional structure of a protein is defined by 4 hierarchical levels. The primary structure refers to the amino acid sequence of the protein. A protein's secondary structure describes the arrangement of local regions of the polypeptide backbone. Tertiary structure refers to the spatial location of all the atoms in a polypeptide chain. Finally, quaternary structure describes how different polypeptides are arranged within a complex. Almost all proteins contain combinations of 3 secondary structure elements: alpha helices, beta strands or sheets, beta turns, and loops. Alpha helices are right-handed helices that place the amino acid residue side chains on the outside of the helix relative to the polypeptide backbone. The alpha helix structure is stabilized by intrastrand hydrogen bonding between the carbonyl oxygen in one amino acid and the hydrogen of an amide nitrogen on an amino acid 4 residues away. Many alpha helices are amphipathic, meaning that one side of the helix is hydrophobic and the other side is hydrophilic. This property is important since alpha helices often need to interact with both the hydrophobic core of a protein and the aqueous environment at the protein surface. Amphipathic alpha helices are also able to pack closely together, with their hydrophobic surfaces facing inward or outward, depending on the chemical environment of the protein. Another common type of secondary structure is called the beta strand. A beta strand is made up of an extended polypeptide chain where adjacent amino acid side chains alternate, being either above or below the polypeptide backbone. Multiple beta strands can form beta sheets through interstrand hydrogen bonds. Beta sheets can form through interactions of parallel beta strands or antiparallel beta strands. Beta sheets are rarely flat and are often twisted to various extents within the context of a protein. The third category of secondary structure found in proteins include beta turns and loops. A beta turn is a short 4 amino acid segment that connects 2 beta strands in an antiparallel beta sheet. Loops are irregular segments that often connect elements of secondary structure and are usually found at the surface of proteins. Through understanding the three-dimensional structure of proteins, we can understand their function in the cell.